Have you ever put your hand up and a big yellow car just ignored you?
Oh, yes. I am standing there and they just go,
Zoom. Exactly, Lucas. It is literally the worst feeling in the world.
it is. I feel like a ghost.
A ghost, yes. Welcome to English Pot Center, by the way. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas.
And today we are learning how to take a taxi.
Taking a taxi. Okay, sounds easy, but it's actually really hard in English.
Right? So many people learn English, but then they get on the street and just panic.
Yes, panic, because, well, what do you even say?
Exactly. The problem is you learn textbook English. You know, like, hello, driver, please convey me to the station.
Convey me. No one says that.
Nobody. It sounds like a robot from 1950.
Right. A robot in a yellow car. So what is the real way?
First, the insight. Think of a taxi like a fast food drive-thru.
A drive-through? Like hamburgers?
Yes. At a drive-thru, you don't talk a lot. You say, I want a burger. Fast.
Okay, fast. Short words.
Exactly. In a taxi, time is money. You just need 3 easy steps.
3 steps. Okay, I have my pen. What is step 1?
Step 1, getting the taxi. Catching it.
Oh, right, because they drive so fast. Do you have to, jump?
No jumping, Lucas. You just put your arm out.
Just arm out? Do I yell? Taxi!
You can, but mostly just make eye contact. Look at the driver.
Look at their eyes. Okay, kind of scary.
It's like looking at a very angry cat. Just look, don't blink.
Angry cat. Okay, I am looking. Arm is out.
And then the car stops. Now step 2.
Step 2. I get in the car.
Yes, but wait. Before you sit down, you need to tell them where to go.
Oh, I don't sit first?
You can sit, but talk fast. The most common question they ask is,
Where to?
yes, where to? Very short.
Where to? Just 2 words. Not, where do you want to go today, sir?
No, never. Just, where to, buddy?
Buddy, I like that. So what do I say back?
You just say the place. Literally just the place.
Just the place? Like airport?
Exactly. To the airport, please.
Wait, I don't say I would like to go to the airport?
Too long. Remember the hamburger? Fast.
Oh, right, the drive-through. Burger, please. Airport, please.
Yes, it's so easy, right?
Wow, that takes all the stress away, Luna.
Right? You can just say the street, too. Like, Main Street, please.
Main Street, please. Okay, what if I don't know the street?
Oh, good question. What if you only have a hotel name?
Yeah, the Grand Hotel.
You just say, the Grand Hotel, please.
Just that?
Just that. Always add please. It makes you sound nice.
I want to be nice to the angry cat driver.
Yes, keep the angry cat happy.
Okay, so I am in the car, we are driving.
We are driving, and now you need to tell him to stop.
Oh no, this is the hardest part. I always miss my stop.
Because you don't know what to say.
I just sit there and cry while we drive past my hotel.
No more crying in the car, Lucas. It is so easy.
Is it? 'Cause I always panic when I see my hotel out the window.
You do. But listen, to stop the car, you just say, stop here, please.
Wait, that is it? Just stop here, please?
Literally just that. Stop here, please.
But what if I want him to stop over there, not right here?
Good question. You just point and say, over there, please.
Wow, it's just pointing and saying please.
Yes, exactly. Pointing is very good for beginners. Pointing is your best friend.
So I point at the big hotel and say, stop over there, please.
Perfect. You did it.
But, wait, what if my hotel is on the left side of the street?
Oh, then you say, on the left, please.
On the left, please.
Yes. Or if it is on the right side.
On the right, please?
Boom. You are a taxi master now, Lucas.
I am the master. The angry cat driver loves me.
He does. He is a very happy cat now.
Okay, so we stop. The car is stopped.
Yes, the car stops. And now, the bad part.
The bad part? Uh-oh. What is the bad part?
You have to pay.
Oh, right. Money. I hate paying.
We all hate paying, but you must ask him how much.
So I say,
how much money for the car ride?
No, too long. Keep it very short.
Oh, just how much?
Yes, how much is it?
How much is it? Wow, that is super easy.
Very easy. Just 4 words. How much is it?
And then he says like $10.
Exactly. He says $10, and you give him the money.
But wait, Luna, wait.
What is it?
What if I only have a $20 bill?
Ah, big money.
Yeah, I am rich. So I give him $20.
Mm-hmm. And he needs to give you money back.
Right. What is the word for that? The back money?
The back money? We call it change.
Change. Oh, like to change my clothes?
Same word, different meaning. English is crazy, I know.
So crazy. So change is the money I get back.
Yes, you can say, "Can I have my change, please?"
Can I have my change, please?
Perfect.
But what if I want him to keep it, like a gift?
Oh, a tip.
A tip. Yes, I want to tip the Hoppy Cat driver.
You are so nice, Lucas. You just say, "Keep the change."
Keep the change. Wow, I sound so cool.
You do, like an action movie star. Keep the change.
Here is $20. Keep the change, my good man.
Okay, movie star. Let's practice. I am the driver now.
Okay, you are driving. Room.
We are at your hotel.
Oh, stop here, please, on the right.
Good. That is $10, please.
How much is it? Wait, no, you just told me.
Yes, Lucas. I said $10.
Right. Here is a $20 bill.
Very good. And what do you say now?
Keep the change.
Perfect. You did it, Lucas.
Wow, that was like so easy.
See? Not scary at all.
But wait, what if I want to pay with my phone or a card?
Oh, good question. That is very common now.
Yeah, I never have cash, like zero cash.
Me too. You just ask, "Can I pay by card?"
Can I pay by card?
Yes, exactly. Or you can say, "Do you take cards?"
Do you take cards? That is short. I like that one.
Mm-hmm. And usually they say yes.
But what if they say no?
Then you have a problem.
Oh no, do I have to wash the car?
No. Just ask before you get in the car.
Ah, smart. Very smart, Luna.
So before you sit down, say, "Do you take cards?"
Okay. Hello, to the airport. Do you take cards?
You got it. That is a perfect start.
I feel like a taxi expert now.
You really are. So let's remember the big things we learned today.
Okay, the big rules, the recap.
Number 1, say where you want to go.
Can you take me to the hotel?
Right. Number 2, tell them to stop.
Stop here, please. Or on the right.
Perfect. And number 3, paying the driver.
How much is it? And then keep the change.
Yes, with the action movie star voice.
Keep the change.
Okay. We have time for a quick game.
Ooh, a game. I like games.
This is for you, Lucas, and for our listeners at home.
Okay, everyone listening, get ready.
I will say a problem. You tell me what to say in English.
Okay, I am ready. Hit me.
You are in the taxi. It is very hot. You are sweating.
Oh man, I hate being hot.
What do you ask the driver?
Can you make it cold?
Close. Say, "Can you turn on the AC?"
AC? You mean air conditioning?
Yes. Can you turn on the AC, please?
Can you turn on the AC, please? That is very helpful.
Okay, one more game question. The taxi is going too fast.
Oh, scary. Slow down, crazy man.
No. Be polite. Just say, "Please slow down."
Please slow down. Yeah, that is much nicer.
Much nicer. Okay, we have a question for the listeners.
Oh, yes, tell us in the comments.
Have you ever had a funny taxi ride?
Yeah, or a crazy driver. Let us know.
We want to read all your stories.
So please subscribe and follow us right now.
Yes. Thank you for listening to English Pod Center.
See you next time. Keep the change.